It's election time in Nigeria. And all around Lagos, promising smiles are asking to be chosen. A new administration is forming that will govern the country for the next 4 years. But Africa's largest population is preoccupied with personal matters. Here, on a single road in the economic capital, bustling banks are the bad kind of busy.
We're on one of the main streets in Lagos, and all along this road are crowds of people standing outside of banks waiting to get their hands on some cash.
People are angry, unable to access their own funds to buy basic essentials.
3:30 the morning I was here. They said they will answer us before 8 o'clock. From 8 o'clock now to now, you never see anything to collect. I'm not going to vote for anybody. I'm not going to vote for anybody at all. I'm voting to my God.
An hungry man is an angry man. Virtually, 85% Nigerians, they are hungry. Let me say the fact.
The cash shortage comes after a currency redesign policy was introduced by incumbent President Muhammadu Buhari, said to combat illicit cash flows and vote buying.
The central bank is trying to control the money in circulation because they feel they have too much cash outside of the banking system. You don't have like what you have in the UK where people would use cards to pay. It's cash-based. So people can't get to the offices. People can't pay for things in the markets because typically you will go to the market to buy ingredients and it's still all cash-based once again.
And so the hustle of everyday life has become even harder.
We being the citizens of this country are tired. We are tired. I won't lie to you. Everybody is just tired of this country.
The despair is driving a rift between the people and their potential new leadership.
We have governments, we have politicians, but most of them, like how should I put it, they're just tips. They don't want to spend money. They don't want to spend money on their youth. They just want to spend money only on themselves.
But the hope is that this discontent has pushed Nigerians to the polls rather than away from them.
I need to vote. It's necessary, and I urge all Nigerians to actually vote. It's necessary. It's a civic duty, not for yourself, but for your generations to come.
More than 93 million people have registered to vote. And those that cast their ballots fulfilling their civic duty are banking on Nigeria's new rulers to fulfill theirs and bring about some much-needed change. Yusra Al-Bagher, Sky News, Lagos.